Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Technology. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your VS Code environment for Latex. Keep in mind that there are many code editors for Latex, both online and offline, and one I like the most, it's definitely VS Code. But in order to get the best working experience for VS Code, you would have to install few additions first. Let me show you. With Latex in search, you are going to see what additions I am using. I am using this Latex language support that is going to give you some IntelliSense for Latex. With Latex Workshop, you are going to get additional support. Plus, you are going to get on-fly PDF viewer. And in here I have one more package that is absolutely optional, that is Latex snippets. If we get back in here, you are going to see that I have some Latex code written for testing purposes. And if you are interested into how to turn this Latex code into actual HTML, PDF or EPUB, I have special episodes for that. For now, I'm just going to open my terminal and I'm going to type PDF Latex. With this command executed, I'm going to get test PDF file. And in order to get that PDF viewer I've been talking about, you are going to click on this button. And in here we are going to get our result. Now, whenever we make some change to this, let's say I'm going to make bold text. From this last part, plus text IT for italic, but in another line, and don't forget slash for command. If I execute this code once again, but first I have to save this document, you see we have our result refreshed. So guys, this is how you are going to set your working environment for Latex with VS Code. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya!